Welcome to the Crypto Injured channel. So obviously Bitcoin just had a massive dump to the downside, and that means altcoins and a lot of the entire crypto market is going to get a move to the downside as well following Bitcoin. I did have a measure move from last night down to $94,400. It finally hit it about a day later. But right now, we can see that you can take a shot at any of these coins. Now, you're a little bit away from the 200-day smooth moving average on the 15-minute time frame, which I've been trading recently. But I will say you could still put a stop loss right here at 22, or even use this one at 21 too. And if you just keep going lower, you can make more, you could technically make more money as long as you don't get back above that level. So right now I see a descending triangle here on SWFTC. I haven't traded this in a long time, but I see a pattern and I'm going to take it. And I am in a small short worth, $300-400. So we'll see what happens. But right now, that has a measure move down to the support at 1.4 cents. The bulls must break above this last week here at basically 21. If you can break 2.1 cents, then you can have a chance at a bottom here on SWFTC. It's really that simple. The 15-minute time frame is kind of overbought. The 1 hour time frame, let's see how that's doing. I'm guessing that's oversold, but no, that's overbought. That's not good either. And then you have the 4 hour time frame. If I zoom in here a little bit to price action, you can see you really had a lackluster move to the upside. You haven't even made a higher high yet. The 4 hour time frame is not close to being overbought, but you can see if it gets curved like that and the RSI starts to bounce so aggressively while the price is bouncing less aggressively, I guess you could say, that is not a good sign. The 6 hour chart probably is pretty oversold. 6 hour doesn't look bad on the RSI, but the 4 hour looks bad. The 3 hour looks really bad. RSI is like halfway up and the price is nowhere near a new high. The 2 hour time frame and 1 hour time frames are overbought. The half hour and 15-minute time frames are overbought, or they're really close. Both of them are really close. So most likely scenario, unless you break 2.1, is you go back down. If you break 2.1, the next real resistance you have, possibly that I see, is 2.5 cents. My indicator says there's maybe a little bit at 2.3, but overall, the bigger one I see is 2.5. These are very small areas of local resistance. So that's what I see. That's the trade I'm in. Descending triangle with a stop at 2.2 cents. You could even have it right here above this wick at basically 2.07 if you want a tighter stop, which maybe that's where I'll put it because right now my risk to reward is actually not very good. But anyways, that's what I see going on this chart. If Bitcoin bounces, though, this could bounce. So maybe it's a little high risk, but we'll see what happens. And I'm going to stay in the trade, and that's my trade for right now and probably for the day. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And if you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is in the description below, where I post Bitcoin and altcoin setups whenever the market looks great. Bitcoin setups every day. And then, of course, we have a free Telegram group as well for just general questions, which is in my link below as well. Cheers, everyone, and I'll see you guys on Thursday, 11 p.m. Central Time for my